In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage category lists in Microsoft Outlook. Categories in Outlook are color-coded labels that help you quickly spot, sort, and group related emails, calendar events, and tasks. Once you set them up, they work across your mailbox, so the same category names and colors appear wherever you need them. To get started, open Outlook. From any folder, right-click an email, a task, or a calendar item. Hover over Categorize, then select All Categories. This opens the Category Manager, which is your central place to create, rename, recolor, delete, and assign shortcut keys to categories. Let's create a new category first. Click New. Type a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it at a glance. Next, choose a color that stands out from the others you already use. If you like, you can assign a shortcut key so you can tag items without touching the mouse. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to add it to your list. If you need to adjust an existing category, that's easy too. Select the category you want to change, click Rename, type the new name, and click OK. Consistent, meaningful names make your categories much easier to scan and apply. You can also change a category's color without affecting its name. Select the category, click Color, pick a new shade that differentiates it from similar topics, and click OK. Colors are a powerful cue, so choose tones that won't be confused with others in your list. If a category is no longer useful, you can remove it. Select the category, click Delete, and confirm. This helps keep your list focused and prevents clutter. Before you delete, consider whether you still need to recognize older items that use that label. Shortcut keys can speed up your day. In the All Categories dialog, choose a category and select a shortcut key from the list, then click OK. Pick keys you'll remember and avoid overlaps with other Outlook shortcuts you already rely on. When you've finished making changes, click OK to apply and save everything. Your updated categories, colors, names, and shortcuts